We'd like to introduce the PMI, or Product Manufacturing Information, feature in CADmeister. PMI refers to a set of manufacturing data embedded directly in a 3D model. It includes part dimensions, geometric tolerances, annotations, surface finish symbols, and material specifications. Before users can add or edit PMI data, they must first enter PMI edit mode. To do this, have to use the command Change Current PMI View, or by simply double-clicking the PMI view at PMI View Management palette. Once in edit mode, users can conveniently create or modify PMI by using the commands that found in the Easy Drafting tab. After finishing user edits, use End Edit PMI View to exit the mode. When a model includes PMI data, it's referred to as a 3DA model. This enables technical drawings to be presented in an interactive 3D format, enhancing clarity and precision to user design documentation. CADmeister provides a variety of commands for creating different types of PMI views. Command Create PMI Base View generates a PMI view based on the model's main coordinate system. Command Create User Refined PMI View allows users to define a custom viewing direction, independent of default coordinate axis. Command Create PMI Section View used for create sectional views whole, 1/4, 1/8, or partial section. This command also includes options for adding hatching patterns, which those hatching patterns can be customized by the user. However, hatching patterns cannot be applied if the model is not a solid body.
Command Create PMI Step Section View used for create step section views along reference section line. And also, same as previous command, hatching options are also available here too.
Command Create Edit Save View used for create to group and organize multiple PMI views. User can also define center point, viewing direction, and horizontal axis orientation independently. The feature from PMI View shares some similarities with the results of the Simple Section Clip command, which allows users to effectively integrate it with other commands.
For example, when using PMI View in combination with Press Motion command,
users can clearly simulate movement of die components during working process. Additionally, when viewing PMI with a sectional cut,
users can perform a detailed and accurate inspection of the internal operation of each die components.